Now his weapon is his inside toe there. You can see his feet, his inside toe. That's it's a nice big long claw, and that's what he uses as his weapon. He can jump up to a metre in the air, and he'll go for your throat, your stomach, or your groin. Come down and have a look at him close up if you like. So if you do see any in the wild, that's what they can do. They'll run at you and they'll just keep kicking. This is your male here. Your female looks exactly the same. She's just a much bigger bird. She'll stand anywhere up to 2 metres in height. The horn on his head there, when he runs, he can run up to 40 to 50 kilometres an hour. If he's running through thick rainforest, he puts his head down, helps him part his way through the bush, protects his head area. Also, they're doing studies. They seem to think it's some sort of sensor to pick up calls of the other cassowary now. So